again, Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today. What you see behind me here is Starcraft's EX20FD, which is a fishing cruise model. It's in carbon. The boat's 8.5 wide, 20 foot long, and is the complete package for any family who loves to fish and cruise. Come on aboard, let me show you what this boat has to offer. So, first thing that I see that I really like is the two-tone furniture here. This is soft and comfortable, closer to your living room than your old lawn furniture, so really, really nice. We also have a table here up front for the people who are more into the cruising than the fishing. We also have a pop-up changing room, so if you have swimmers in your group, easy for them to get out of that wet swimsuit, just built right in here. As we come a little further back, we get to some of the really nice important parts of this boat that make it a fishing model. So first thing I notice here is the Humminbird Helix 5 Fish Finder Depth Finder. So a really nice option if you do have fishermen in your group, let them know where they can catch those fish. We also have the power bimini top, which is a really nice feature of these Starcraft boats. As we come here a little further to the back, what you'll notice here is we do have the two fishing seats here in the back, as well as a rod locker here right on the side, so that's a really nice feature there. Finally, if you're someone who really does like to fish and keep those fish, go home, have yourself a nice fish fry, we do have the built-in Livewell here that will keep your fish alive until you can get them on ice, cook yourself up some dinner, and have a really nice time. It also has 4 rod holders here, so if you're someone who trolls, a really nice option. Finally, off the back, if you do have swimmers in the group, there is the stainless steel boarding ladder that telescopes, so it doesn't take up a lot of space and looks really, really nice. With everything that Charles Mill Marina sells, we are going to include a full mooring cover, on-water lesson, in-state delivery, and all the safety gear you need. So a really big plus there. And we're going to take care of all your titling and registration needs as well. So if you think this is the boat for you, give us a buzz today, 419-368-5951, or check us out on our website, www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.